It's a very good morning to all the students. So today's class, this particular session is initiated only to work with the IBM company. So all the students are going to access the course with the IBM company and with this certificate also. So this particular session, we are going to show you the method, even the shortcut method, within 1 hour, how you are going to obtain the IBM's tagline certificate from directly with the company. So it is very important as a student in order to get the internship or in future to work with the IBM company also. So IBM has released different variety of courses for all the branches. So now we are concentrating on the artificial intelligence course. That is our main criteria here. So now, in a simple language, what do you mean by the word intelligence? Intelligence, it belongs to the
Sir,
brain. Yeah, tell me.
your voice is little bit slow, sir.
Okay, I just check it out. Now it is okay. Now it is fine somewhat. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what do you mean by the word intelligence? Intelligence is the property of the brain, human brain, to sense the environment, to feel different objects, and to take decisions. So this intelligence we are going to apply to the normal machines. So application of intelligence to a machine is called the artificial intelligence. So application of intelligence to a machine is called artificial intelligence. We are making the machines to think, take decision, and feel the environment. Okay. So how we are going to implement the artificial intelligence? Now I'll direct you to the IBM link. So this link also will be shared with you. So before we study that particular course, we should have the basics here. Let me share the next slide. So in order to complete the artificial intelligence course, first of all, when we say we are developing one new robot, we should concentrate how to develop one artificial brain. Human brain has got billions of neurons. Each neuron generates the electric impulse signal, the electric signal. So we are supposed to work on this particular artificial brain, which is called the neural technology. So IBM people will give you training on AI basics and neural network technology and natural language. That means a computer understands only ones and zeros. So we are supposed to make the machines also to understand different natural languages. So these three modules you are supposed to finish. There will be an online exam and you have to clear that online exam with 80% marks minimum. Then only a certificate will be given to the respective candidate. So I'll guide you how to get that certificate. I'll now. So let me share the IBM link. So in the Google, if you are pressing IBM training, you will be directed to this particular page. So one second, let me check. Yeah. Any one student, please confirm me. Are you able to see the IBM link here?
Yes,
IBM
sir.
page? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
now the exact work we are going to start. So I'll share this link also, ibm.com training. And remember, due to the present lockdown situation, only for 2 days, this particular courses are free. Actually, they are entirely chargeable. Okay, so that's why we have taken this session right now, immediately. So what you are supposed to do, so first you check for the sign up. Okay, if you see your sign up, okay, go to the sign up page here. You have to create the IBM ID just like Google account we are creating. So if you are having the account, you have, first of all you have to go for the sign up condition. Let me sign up this one step by step. See, already I logged in. I enter details. It's the basic sign up process. So it will highlight your name also, right? So I already created this IBM page here. So now what we are supposed to do? So directly take the courses, access the courses, and certificates will be given to the people who complete the training, right? So now let us search for the courses. So very frankly, I'm telling you, all the students, whatever the engineering subjects we are studying are 150 years old subjects. Okay, so now if you are into the market, first you must know the basic digital marketing, which many people are doing the internship. Next, step by step, we are starting the core uh, content. So now you see, you can do the course on analytics, blockchain, or data security. What are the data we are transferring through the WhatsApp or Facebook? It should be protected. Now, this is also very important, which I mentioned in the last session, cloud. Cloud contains bulk amount of data. Okay. So now IBM is also developing its own cloud, which is virtual. A normal person cannot see with their eyes. But now today's session is all about how to get the certificate on artificial intelligence from the IBM, which counts a lot, which you can add in your resume also. Okay. So that too within 1 hour, that is the target. So just click on that AI, artificial intelligence. You will be directed to the new interface. Okay. So here we are having number of courses. All the words will be entirely new for you people, but this is what the present system. If you are having this certificate, you can work with the artificial intelligence companies. You can develop the robot. Okay. Right. So now you see we are having different variety of courses here. So first, you can do any type of course here. Okay, and explanation will be given by the IBM people also. Then they will conduct an exam. So as it is the first introduction basic, I'm just choosing this particular course. You can also choose this one, or you can do the multiple courses. It is up to you. So artificial intelligence concept. So you can request your faculty for the day today and to today. So to give the certain time to in order to switch off the class, and you can work on this particular IBM entire thing, unless until it is converted into the paid version. So you just press this one, details. Let us wait for the page. Yes. So many people are accessing here this particular link. That's why it is very slow. So all the students, what I'm going to do, see artificial intelligence concept. First, if you are new, it will show you 0 year. Once we have done with the course, it will show you 100% complete. Okay. Let me check this one, whether new page is visible. Yes. So now you see what we are supposed to do. See, course description, 1 hour course only. Okay, it is the basic introduction. And next, you will get the 40 credit points. With that credit points only, you will get the certificate. So what you are supposed to do, you have to click on the course content. Course content. It will show you, yes, what is the course, available course, artificial intelligence introduction with the time neural networks. As I mentioned, we are supposed to develop the artificial brain. So which is mentioning as neural networks. And that robot has to understand any natural language. How it will be done, it will be explained by the team of this particular IBM. If you click on this one, you will be guided to one particular video. I will show you this one. So IBM team, they are going to, yes, let me check. Generally, these videos are confidential. So on your screen, you are able to see one person is able to explain. So your task one is you are supposed to complete this one. You cannot stop in middle. See, is the video is visible? Anyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So yes, you have to listen. You will be explaining from the basics, and you have to complete this one. Okay. Already I have done the course. This one for me is no problem right now. So immediately after completing this one, go for the next. Okay. So next course will be generated after completing that one. Go for the next 8 minutes, and they'll give the 5 minutes. Basics only. The theory only will be done as it is a basic. So next, so 3 courses we have done. Then they will share the slides also, okay, of that particular course. Then go for the next. Okay, then all these things is up to you. You can access this one. IBM is developing different variety of products. Once a student is perfect with IBM products, then it is up to them. IBM company only will recruit you people directly, whether you are in second year or final year or first year. So now it is up to you. Next you can click, you can study all the things. Okay, so let me go back to this one, course content. So now you see, after completing this course, the moment you complete this listening the video explanation, it will be scrolling up to 75%, and last 25%, here also slowly it will highlight your progress bar. So last stage is after course content, after accessing all the links, there will be a knowledge. Yes, knowledge check. So after listening the videos, based upon that video explanation, they will generate you the knowledge check. Okay, that is, you are supposed to take the test. Okay, knowledge check. So let me access this one. Objective type questions will be given. The students, you are going to perform. See, already I've taken the test. Okay, 2 times you can take. Already I've taken the test here. They will give you the score. So now our aim is to go back to this one. So now how to take the test, what are the questions? As you are in the first time you are attending, let me share the video of this one. So what you do, if you are you listen the course, if you are not having the time directly, if you take the test, this will be the questions. Your new video is available on the screen. Now you see all of you, the questions, what they have asked, what are the answers we have given. New video is available on the screen.
No, sir.
No, sir.
One second. So I made it, right, let me, see, now you see video in the sense the question and answers on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me play from the first, so that when you watch this video, I will be releasing the video. These are the answers within short period of time. Then later on, you can observe the videos also. First, listen the videos, and if you are not confident with the answers and the questions, so you can, this video will help you out to get the certificate, which is only 2 days they kept the free. So let us move to the question 5 here. So 4 questions we have done. So basics only based upon the video listening skills. AI questions, artificial intelligence. So the future is all about artificial intelligence. Imagine car racing, everybody know. So if I'm having a racing car, okay, if it is moving at certain speed, if I'm creating new car with artificial intelligence concept, that racing car speed will be twice than the normal car. That is one of the application. Natural language I mentioned. Any 2 options we can choose. You must check with the answers. The moment finish attempt, after writing all the objective type questions, finish attempt, and again it will ask for the check the answers, submit all and finish. It will take certain time, okay, to upload in the site. So these are the answers which you can upload directly, so that you will get the certificate. I'm just sharing this one. Let me direct you to the link. Okay, so now I should check for this certificate here. So again, going back to the knowledge check. Okay, so how to get your certificate, where you will get, see, course survey, certificate of completion. You just click on this one. After completing the exam only, before completing the exam, if you press, you'll never get the certificate. So now you can see here, certificate of completion. So I'm just clicking on this one. So I've done the yesterday, that is the, yeah. So now get your certificate, click on this one. Yes, you can download that certificate. Yes, in the name with the IBM tag, it will come. IBM training department and IBM tag. So many private institutions, they charge for this one, but it is freely also we can do. We can clear the exam. That is the main criteria here. All of you are able to see the certificate on the screen?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
Okay, 1 second. Let me share the certificate. Now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, see, you just follow the.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so certificate you will get at the end of the examination. Click on the survey tagline which is mentioned in the website. If you are completed with the exam, immediately they will generate the certificate. And please send this certificate to my email ID. You can download this one. Okay, download this certificate and send that certificate to the email ID so that I'll update to the IBM company people in future, any internships or any jobs when you come into the third year. Okay, so this certificate counts a lot. So right. Okay, any